Being a mom is not an easy job. Sorting out breakfast for the kids every morning, and you guys are trying. So this is a simple breakfast for your kids. It's less time consuming, and can after making this for them, you can easily do some other house chores, rest, watch a movie, go to work, and the rest on time. So you start by frying your plantain. That's do 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 do. So it depends on how your kids like it. Some like it brown, so like it golden brown, or should I say, in the words of my roommate, I like it burnt. So you fry it to the specific color your kids like, then you add your onions, your pepper, your tomato, your seasoning. I used 3 eggs because we're adults. Right? But for little children, you can make use of 1 or 2, depending on how much they eat. And yes, you mix it all together. Mix it. Yes, it's good to try something different. I'm like, what do you eat for breakfast? Kids are. I had pizza. Oh my goodness, she had pizza. Yes, my mom made pizza with plantain and eggs. Aww. So you pour it into the fry pan and just spread it. Please on low it so it will cook slowly and evenly. So it won't just, the damp part won't just get burnt and up will remain. You know what I mean, moms? So now we're going to add the plantain. We're going to add it as like this kind of topping, like pepperoni on pizza. Your kids can even watch you do this, like, oh mommy, it's fun, let me put the pizza. Sorry, I put the plantain, just like with decorating pizza. For kids that can eat flour like me, this is a fun way. So imagine eating pizza and just have fun with your food. That's the main thing, and it's very very easy. I think less than 30 minutes you should be done. Just then you put your pepperoni, put your toppings, put your plantain. Then you allow it to cook just for 2-3 minutes, and now we're done. So this is the end result. And if you have this kind of round knife cutter, or who cares, use knife. Like I said, we're trying to save time. 30 minutes, you cut it, and yeah, breakfast is ready. It's filling, it's nice, it's delicious. The kids are going to love it. It'll save you time. Bye, moms.